I'll teach you everything you need to know about methods in 5 minutes. Methods are functions that let you do something that are built into an object. That sounds like gibberish if you don't know anything about what I'm saying, but let me explain. You know how objects like parts and any other object like script, anything, any object, they have properties built into them that changes the part's behavior or appearance. They also have methods that are a part of them, and these methods do things, and that sounds very vague, so let me show you an example of what I mean. Every instance or every object in Roblox has a destroy method. And let me show you a script that waits 5 seconds and then destroys a part. So wait 5 and then workspace dot part destroy. So as I said, this script is going to wait 5 seconds and then poof, the part is destroyed. It's not transparent or anything, it's just completely gone from workspace and it's not anywhere else, it's just gone. So the syntax for using the destroy method is you write the object you want to access, then you write a colon, and then you write the method. In this case, destroy with a capital D and parentheses. All methods have parentheses. And once you write the colon, you get a list of all the methods. The thing about methods is that self is their first argument. That's not really important if you don't know what that means, but if you do, yeah, you already know then. I don't know why I said it. Another method you can use to any instance in Roblox is clone. So if we replace destroy, now we're cloning it. Similar to destroy, but we clone it. If you remember when we instanced the part, we had to give it a parent, and it's the same thing for the clone. So let's just name this local part equals workspace.clone. And if we run this, nothing will happen because we didn't give it a parent. So we do that by part.parent equals workspace. Make sure to assign your clones a variable so you can give them a parent later on. And now, after we wait 5 seconds, look in the workspace or look here, and the part appears. Ta-da, now we have 2 parts because we just cloned it. The same property, same colors and everything. It keeps the same stuff. Both of these methods I just showed you are inherited from instance. And this basically just means that you can do it to any object in Roblox. Let's look at a method that only works on base parts. We're going to mess with the part we already have. Let's do ApplyImpulse. And this takes in a vector 3. We covered that before. And let's give it an impulse of 100 in the Y direction after 5 seconds and see what happens. That was so underwhelming. Let's give it a little more. Let's give it like 4,000. This just applies a force in the given direction, and we did the Y, so it's going to be upwards. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. You guys still see that? Yeah, let's go. So yeah, these methods are really cool. They do a variety of things. There is also like is a to check if this is a player or if it's a base part, which it is. And you can use this as a condition. Like if workspace is a base part, then print life makes sense. Oh, I have to wait 5 seconds, but I'll cut this out for you guys, don't worry. Or maybe I won't. Life makes sense because it is indeed a base part. It returns true. But if we check if it's like, I don't know, literally anything else, pretty much. Like if it is a player, part is not a player, it's very loyal, so it's gonna not print anything.